I had a surprise side effect, and I want to say it's a medication, but I'm not sure. I did go online and do some research on this and see who else out there have experienced this since being on the medication. And so the surprise side effect I've been having with this drug.
Come on now, dog.
3 weeks on Zepbound. Who else keep these? Who else is on Zepbound to keep these hands? I like keeping them like souvenirs, keep them around. I kind of like they part of my journey also, you know. So I'm keeping my pens, and I keep them safe away from the kids. But as you see, I'm 3 down. I got 1 more left. I have a doctor appointment tomorrow, so I will give you an update from that. Also, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna talk about how much weight I lost so far on Zepbound, and I'm gonna go over a different experience I had. Of course, y'all who watched my last video know what I went through in week 2.5. All right, so today in Zepbound Me, I want to say what's up with y'all. What's up, everybody? This community has been wonderful. I'm gonna keep it real, no sugarcoating anything. Tell you how I feel, how the medication been working for me, and just talk about my experience on the medication thus far. Okay. Disclaimer: I am not a doctor. Please talk to your doctor. This is not medical advice in no way, shape, or form. I am an Amazon affiliate, so anything I put in a link, I do get a kickback from. Help me support this channel and also help me buy more Zepbound for myself. So if you see something like, and I post great things in the link, please check them out. These are things that help me along to you, your body, and help you, like L-glutamine. Somebody reached out to me about that. That works with a lot. Also the protein I'm taking, as well as my hydration, which I take the Dr. Berg powder. They're individual and they're different flavors. That's what I like about it, because you got different flavors. You know, you got cherry limeade, orange, a lemonade, pomegranate grape, and those different flavors taste good. And it's only sweetened by stevia, so that's good too. So start off, that's my disclaimer. And I do want to tell you, first, I'd like to thank all my new subs. My channel is getting so much love, and I appreciate this community. I want to give a special shout out to Trace of Tawana Life. Thank you for your support. I appreciate that. Share my channel. Also, Felicia Marie B. Thank you so much. Special shout out to you. And my man, it's Darian. Super thank you, man. Yeah, you know, it's not too many people look like us on this journey. So it's good seeing someone else that look like me that's taking a part of this journey as well. And hoping I'm inspirational to someone else out there that want to take that leap forward. Okay. So this community is great. Just to start off, the community is great. The support's been great. The feedback, lots of comments, a lot of positivity. People have been on the drug a lot longer than me. They have lost 100+ pounds. That's incredible. That's amazing. And for all you all out there now still on the medication, keep going, keep striving, keep working out. I've been working out myself and been quite a journey so far. I'm enjoying myself. I'm loving it. My wife is loving it. And it's different. This whole journey is different. This is of course, like I said before, this is my first weight loss drug I have ever taken in my life. So this is completely new to me. I'm normally a keto person or an alkaline food person, Dr. Sebi, the Akeem Awaken type person, you know. So being able to take this drug and being able to see the weight loss from it is major for me. It's a big change compared to what I'm used to doing. It's not a magic bullet. It's not a magic pill. It will not drop the weight off you automatically. It's some work you have to do yourself. You have control of your eating. This medication makes it easy though, because I'm gonna talk about that. I'm gonna talk about what I experienced just on my first 3 weeks with the medication. Okay. So to start out, community, fun and friendly, amazing experience, and I'm enjoying every bit of it. So if you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. The more likes and more subs I get, the more YouTube will push this out to other people like yourself that are looking for this kind of content, because we want to get this out to the masses to let them know that the boogeyman is out the closet. Medication is okay. It does have side effects. We're going to
Gotcha, bitch.
talk about that, but most of medication is okay. You know, definitely work with your doctor, and you'll go from there. You'd be surprised what you'll get while taking this medication, and you'd be surprised about what come out of you as you take what the kind of experiences in the journey you go. That's why they call it a journey. I know now they call it a journey because everyone's different, and the stuff you're going through is life changing. The way you don't hear food noise is different, and your cravings being gone is different, and you don't. It's like it's a whole new experience. And so let's get to it. If you're new to the channel, I'm Cybearded Black. I'm based out of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm on Zepbound. Zepbound is a medication approved by the FDA, It's made of two medication in one. That's what I know so far. It's a weight loss drug. It's a GLP-1. Also, it's another medication in it called a GIP. And what these two medications do, it work within the body. It helps control your cravings. It helps control your brain from thinking about food, and it slows it down your digestion. That way, when you eat something, it stays in the stomach longer and make you full longer. Hey, wait a minute. Did you hit the subscribe button? What you doing? You got to hit the subscribe button so I can make videos. I told my wife that we're going to quit, okay? I told my wife, when I get 1 million subscribers, I'm quitting my job, and I'm doing this full time. So hit the sub button so I can make that happen. Thank you. I'm going to go through a list, and I'm going to explain to y'all what my experience has been like since I've been taking this medication, okay? So start off, physical changes, okay? How my body been feeling since I've been taking this medication, okay? Now, this is big, and for all y'all new out there want to get this medication, you want to talk to your doctor about this medication, listen up, okay? My energy level. How's my energy level been since I've been taking this medication? Day one, my energy level is flat. When I first take it, I'm kind of tired, but I'm cool. So it's kind of level. My energy is level. Day one is level. Okay. Day two, it picks up. And day 3, 4, I'm like an engine bunny. I keep moving and moving and moving. I don't slow down. And I've been able to get more stuff done. That's one thing I will tell you. Since I've been taking this medication, I've been more active. And I've been having the energy to get things done. And I've been really pushing forward where normally I'll get tired, have to lay down. Especially like I eat, I get tired, lay down. That feeling's gone. Like now when I eat, I don't eat a lot, but when I do eat, I don't feel like I gotta crash and lay down after I eat. You know, I just don't. You know, once I eat, I can go walking. Actually, I try to walk for 5 minutes after I eat anyway. But once I eat, I can move around. I'm not sleepy. I'm not tired. I don't feel like I gotta go to sleep time I eat something. So that's different. So the energy level is good, okay? 2, digestion. What my digestion been like? Because I know on this medication, like I said, it slow down your digestion. So everything come with that, the burping, gas. I had a slight gas, you know, a little gas, a little gassy, but nothing major, nothing noticeable. Just like I ate some taco. Imagine you eating at a Mexican restaurant one day, you have a little extra gas. That's what it's like. It's nothing major, nothing to write home about it. It just, I want to tell you everything so you'll know everything that I've been going through, okay? Next, the food, the eating, the hunger, appetite suppressant. All right, here's the trick. I'm on the 2.5 milligrams, right? 2.5. Wow. I can only imagine what it's going to be like once you get on the 5 milligrams.
That was easy.
Because with the 2.5, day 1, my appetite is suppressed. Day 1 and 2, it's good. Day 3 and 4, I don't know. I just go crazy. I go into like a hunger binge, and I start feel like I'm eating up the house. However, I'm not really. I'm just eating more than I ate day 1 and 2. Day 1 and 2, what I'll do is I got my routine. I normally don't eat till like 12, 1 o'clock, and then I'll eat like a salad, or I'll eat something small, some chicken breast, fish, something simple, something real simple. I normally eat a meat and a green. I really don't do starches and carbs, just a meat and a green. That's it. So probably like 1,000 calories, maybe 1,000 calories, right? And then after that, I normally just drink my protein shake and I'm done for the day. That's how Monday and Tuesday is. Like, I eat very little. Now, day 3 and 4, I wake up in the morning, I eat something. Like, it's no clock. I'm not intermittent fasting. I know they say intermittent fast. I'm not doing that. I eat when I feel like eating. Day 3 and 4, I feel more hungry. So I'll get up in the morning, I'll eat. I normally have my protein shake in the morning. And then when it's time to lunch, I eat me, like I said, another salad, salmon. I've been grilling a lot of salmon. If you've seen the video where I grill the salmon out on my pit balls, check that out. I grill me the salmon. I eat at least 2 pieces of salmon. I'm not eating 4 ounces, maybe 8 ounces, 6 ounces. All I'm eating is salmon and a salad, you know. And then the other night, I ate some pistachios. I got this thing. I'm into pistachios now. And then I probably eat me another protein shake later on. I know it's a lot, but I think the 2.5 is not meant to curb your appetite that much. Maybe like the higher doses does. But for me, day 3 and 4, I eat like that. That's how I'm gonna eat. I eat just like that. I'm gonna go over my weight loss later in the video. Stay tuned. But day 3 and 4, I eat. Okay. Day 5, I'm back to day 1 and 2. I just don't feel like it. I might feel like I want to eat, and I get the plate. I take 2 bites, and I put it down. It's like a mental thing. Like it's like you be like if you want to eat, your brain will be like you're not really hungry. And so many times I got salads with tuna on it, and I wrap it up, put it in the fridge because I don't feel like eating.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So that's how the days normally work. And it seems like as it get closer to my next shot, the appetite suppressant is good. Like it doesn't wane. Like when I get day 6 and day before my shot, I'm good. I can go eat 1 time a day and I wouldn't even miss it. Like it's cool. Like I find myself forgetting to eat sometimes. You know, that's the best way I can explain it. But except day 3 and 4. Now 3 and 4, I'm gonna eat. You gonna catch me eating? I'm gonna eat something. Okay. Day 3 and 4 is like that. All right. So next we have